This ice pack is hard. Hard in Filipino is matigas. In Bisaya, we say gahi. This bread is soft. Soft in Filipino is malambot. In Bisaya, we say humok. This ice is cold. Cold in Filipino is malamig. In Bisaya, we say bugnaw. This tea is hot. In Filipino, we say mainit. In Bisaya, we say init. This is the front. Front in Filipino is harap or harapan. In Bisaya, it's atubangan. And this is the back. Back in Filipino is likod or likuran. In Bisaya, we just say likod. The tip of this pencil is sharp. In Filipino, it's matulis. In Bisaya, we say hait. This one is blunt. In Filipino, we say mapurol. In Bisaya, we say habol. This bus goes so fast. In Filipino, we say mabilis. In Bisaya, we say paspas. This car is moving slow. In Filipino, we say mabagal. In Bisaya, it's